Hello students, kindly note this video is for both class 3rd and 4th. So, myself Sana Ahmed, hope you all are fine and healthy at your home. So, today we will go through mathematics. Let's start with chapter number 3, subtraction, part 1. Topic: terms related to addition and subtraction. Addition. We can add two or more numbers to find out their total value. When we add, the result or answer we get is called the sum, and numbers we add are called addends. Subtraction. The number which is being subtracted is called the subtrahend, and the number from which it is subtracted is called the minuends. The result obtained after subtraction is called the difference. Now kids, let's know what is subtraction. Subtraction is the term used to describe taking away one or more numbers from another. Subtraction is the opposite of addition and is a way to find the difference or what is left over. Subtraction without borrowing. Students, let's perform subtraction without borrowing. First step is first count. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. We will prepare a table till 1000. Let's prepare. As you can see, I have arranged the numbers in columns. Now what we will do, we will subtract 2 from the other number, that is 3. Then 3. Subtract 2 from it. 1, 2. 1 is remaining, note it down here. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away from 4 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is left over. Now once again to the next one. 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take 5 away from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 is left over. Note it down here. Next one is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take 2 out. 1, 2, 3 is remained. Note it down here. This is how we perform subtraction. Now take another example. Question number 2. So students, this is how you will prepare a column. Then plot the numbers from the ones place. 2, 9, 8, 5 and 2. Now next number is this. Note it down here, one after one. Now subtract 2, 1, that is 1. 9, 5, subtract, that's 4. 1, 2, 1. Now take another example. So subtract it. If you take 0 away from 7, 7 will remain. 1, that's 4. Once again. Yes, we have done. Subtraction with borrowing. Here we are. Always remember to write the greater number on the top and the smaller on the middle. So first we will plot this number in this column. So let's start plotting this. First subtract ones place digit, that's 7. As you can see, 7 is smaller than 9, so we will borrow 1 from the tens place. So this 7 will be 17, and as it has given away 1 to this one, so it will be 8, and this will be 17. 17 minus 6 minus 9 equals 8. Now this is smaller, so we will take borrow 1 from the 100 place, so it will be 18 in number. 18 minus 9 equals 9. Now it is once again it is 8, as it has given away 1 to this, so we will take 1 from this, so it will be 18 and it will be 7. 18 minus 9 equals 9, and 7 minus 5 equals 2. So this is how we do subtraction with borrowing. Now take another example. First, arrange numbers in the columns. So students, as I told you earlier, this number should be greater than this one. So as you can see, 6 is smaller than this, so we will take 1 from the tens place, so it will be 16, and it has given it 1, so it will be 4. Again you can see 4 is smaller than 7, so we will take borrow from this one. It will be 14, and this will be 3. Now 3 is greater than 2, so no need to take borrow from 1000 place. Now let's subtract. 16 minus 7 equals 9. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 4 minus 2 equals 2. And 6 minus 3 equals 3. Hope you are subtracting from 0. Here we are subtracting from 0. So first we will solve this one. So arrange the numbers in the columns. You may see. So now first, as you can see, 0 is smaller than 9. So we will take borrow from tens place. So it will be 10. And this will be 6. So 10 minus 9 equals 1. Again it is smaller than 9, so we will take borrow from this, as it is 0, so it can't give borrow to this, so we will take borrow from this. 1 gave borrow to it, so it is now 10. So it is now 10, so it will give borrow 1 to 6, it will be 16, whereas this will be 9. And this will be 7. So 16 minus 9 equals 7. 9 minus 0 equals 9. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 3 minus 2 equals 2. Now take another example. Now this and this. So we will take borrow from 100 place. It will be 10. Then now it is able to give borrow to ones place. So as it will give borrow to ones place, it will be 10 and it will be 9. And this will be 5. 10 minus 7 equals 3. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 5. Again it is smaller than 7. So we will take borrow from this. 1 gave borrow to this. Now this is 10. Now this will give borrow to 5, so it will be 9, and this will be 15. 15 minus 7 equals 8. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Now as it gave earlier borrow to 1000 place, so it will be 0, right? So it will take borrow from this, so it will be 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. It is 3 now. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So students, I hope you understood today's topic. We will meet again through the videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep learning and exploring new things. Thank you for watching this video.